Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Priority Pass app. First, download the official Priority Pass application from your device's app store. Once installed, simply register or log in using your existing membership details to access your personal account. Take a moment to explore the app's main interface. It is designed for intuitive navigation, helping you quickly understand its key features and how to maximize your travel benefits. This initial step ensures a smooth start to your lounge experience. Finding a lounge or an exclusive offer is straightforward. Utilize the Find Lounges feature, allowing you to search by airport or specific location. You can easily filter results based on amenities like complimentary Wi-Fi, available food options, or even shower facilities. Beyond lounges, discover a variety of exclusive dining, retail, and spa offers, providing additional value at many airports worldwide. There are often hundreds of participating locations to explore. Accessing an airport lounge is made simple with your digital membership card. Generate this card directly within the application, ensuring it is ready for presentation. When you arrive at the lounge reception, simply present your digital card for seamless entry. It is always a good idea to confirm any specific guest policies or visit limits directly with the lounge staff upon arrival to ensure a smooth experience for everyone. The app also helps you manage your membership effectively. You can easily view your visit history, keeping track of all your past lounge entries and monitoring your remaining lounge visits. Updating your personal information or membership preferences is straightforward, ensuring your details are always current. Should you need any assistance, you can contact customer support directly through the application, providing a convenient way to get help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.